Hey there! Are you interested in transitioning to a plant-based diet but not sure where to start? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll give you a beginner's guide to help you make the switch and embrace a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. First things first, educate yourself about plant-based nutrition. Familiarize yourself with the different types of nutrients you need and how to meet them through plant sources. Check out reputable resources, books, and documentaries to gather all the information you need to make informed decisions. Next, start slow and make gradual changes to your diet. Begin by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your meals. Replace meat with plant-based protein alternatives like tofu, tempeh, or seitan. And don't forget to experiment with a variety of spices and herbs to add some wonderful flavors to your new dishes. It's also important to stay prepared. Stock up on plant-based staples like nuts, seeds, and grains so you always have options on hand. Have a meal plan and grocery list ready to make shopping easier. And consider investing in some meal prep containers to plan and prepare your meals in advance. Don't forget to explore plant-based substitutes for your favorite animal-based products. There are plenty of delicious dairy-free milk options, such as almond, soy, and oat milk. And if you're craving cheese, try vegan cheese made from nuts or soy. Trust me, you won't even miss the dairy. Finally, find a support system. Connect with like-minded individuals, join online communities, and follow plant-based influencers for inspiration and guidance. Surrounding yourself with people who share your goals will make the transition much easier and enjoyable. So, are you ready to make the change? We promise it's worth it. You'll not only improve your health, but also contribute to a more sustainable and cruelty-free world. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on embracing a plant-based lifestyle. Also, see the link below for an easy-to-follow recipe guide. Happy eating!